Antarctica is the world's southernmost continent and a hotspot for scientific research. While some people enjoy planning cruises to Antarctica, those trips are largely incidental. Many scientists and researchers actually live on the continent. Every year, approximately 400 scientists spend the winter on this icy continent. Amazing discoveries are made when marine biologists, geologists, oceanographers, and geophysicists collaborate. These scientists and researchers collect data, film video, use radar technology, and embark on expeditions to and from Antarctica. Recent scientific discoveries concerning the ozone layer, earthquakes, shipwrecks, and million-year-old DNA are all fascinating. 10. Researchers planned a colossal squid expedition. While this discovery is still ongoing, it is an Antarctica story worth knowing about. In December 2022, an international scientific expedition will travel to Antarctica to film the colossal squid. This type of squid is the world's largest invertebrate. This expedition could provide important information about colossal squid behavior and habits, as well as information about animal life in Antarctica in general. This species was discovered in 1925, so the scientists' goal is to capture footage of this magnificent creature before the 100th anniversary of its discovery. 9. The ozone hole above Antarctica is growing larger. This discovery is about the ozone layer, which is found in the stratosphere of the Earth and protects it from the sun's harmful UV rays. Scientists discovered in the fall of 2022 that the hole in the ozone above Antarctica is the largest it has ever been, measuring larger than the entire United States. Many people are concerned about Antarctica's future due to global warming and a thinning ozone layer. It makes you wonder what Antarctica would look like if the ice melted completely. While scientists are concerned about climate change, NASA scientist Paul Newman believes that the ozone hole will hopefully shrink over time. 8. Changing seasons were linked to change in ice sheet movement. Antarctic glaciers are subject to ice draining and movement. In the fall of 2022, researchers from the University of Cambridge and ENVO discovered that these ice movements and draining are linked to seasonal changes. For example, it was discovered that ice shelf movement and ice flow accelerated by 15% during the Arctic summer. The scientific team used satellite images to analyze ice flow and draw conclusions about the relationship between seasonal changes and ice movement. 7. Earthquake swarms were detected in Antarctica. When most people think of earthquakes, they envision the Pacific Ocean's Ring of Fire, a region prone to tectonic plate friction. A series of earthquakes has recently been discovered in Antarctica, the world's southernmost continent. Scientists discovered earthquake swarms on the Shetland and Antarctic plates. The swarms lasted from August of 2020 to February of 2021. Around 85,000 earthquakes occurred during that time period. Scientists believe the earthquake storms were caused by the eruption of a dormant volcano. 6. An enormous icefish breeding colony was discovered. Scientists discovered the world's largest known fish breeding colony by the Filchner ice shelf in the Antarctic Weddell Sea in early 2021, with 60 million nests. The scientists used a towed camera system to film the icefish, which were found over 400 meters below sea level. The images provided by the camera system allowed the scientists to determine that the nests were built by the icefish Neopagetopsis iona. Each of these nests typically contains 1,500 to 2,500 eggs. 5. The shipwreck of Shackleton's Endurance was uncovered. There are numerous fascinating facts about Antarctica and its history, ranging from its flora and fauna to the midnight sun. The sinking of the steam yacht Endurance in 1915 is an intriguing part of Antarctica's history. The ship belonged to explorer Ernest Shackleton, who survived the disaster but died in 1922. A South African polar research team discovered the ship in March 2022. Researchers are ecstatic not only about the discovery, but also about Endurance's excellent condition. 4. Sponges were found beneath the ice. Hugh Griffith, a marine biogeographer, made this incredible discovery from winter 2021 to 2022. The interesting thing is that Griffith was not even present when the sponges were discovered. Geologists were drilling through ice in Antarctica when they came across a boulder. This drilling process was videotaped, and Griffith discovered sponge animals on the rock after watching the video. Griffith suspects that these sponges are stalked sponges. Other animals living on the rock have yet to be identified, but scientists do know that sponges are present. 3. Million-year-old DNA was discovered. Scientists discovered million-year-old DNA in Antarctica in the fall of 2022. This DNA was discovered in the Scotia Sea, just north of Antarctica, by researchers from the universities of Tasmania and Bonn. The ancient sediment discovered is now the oldest marine DNA discovered in seafloor sediments. Scientists will analyze and study this DNA because it will reveal a lot about the polar marine ecosystem as well as how climate change may affect Antarctica. 2. A large lake was found beneath Antarctica's largest ice sheet. Speaking of million-year-old DNA, scientists recently discovered a lake in Antarctica that they believe contains sediment from over 34 million years ago. A Chinese aircraft spotted this hidden lake behind a canyon and beneath an ice sheet in the spring of 2022. The lake is now known as Lake Snow Eagle. Lake Snow Eagle was discovered by looking beneath the ice sheet with radar technology. The discovery of this lake is particularly impressive given that scientists had been flying and using radar over the area for 3 years prior to its discovery. 1. Hidden life was discovered under Antarctica's Larsen ice shelf. An underwater ecosystem was discovered in a river beneath the Larsen ice shelf in Antarctica in June 2022. New Zealand scientists made this discovery after drilling through the shelf and filming the icy water below. Shrimp-like creatures were seen swimming around in their underwater habitat in the video footage. Scientists discovered a groove in the ice shelf and deduced that this unusual shape indicated the presence of a river beneath the ice.